Dropping down to 30.
Kristen, you are such a pimp.
Dropping.
You are pimping.
Permission to engage rear thrusters.
Matt, it is hard to hold a camera steady when you're thumping your feet.
Engaging rear thrusters.
Look at how he folds his socks like a pussy 9-year-old
knows
girl.
everything that's going on. Fuck you, Ricky. Fuck you in the anus.
Hey, keep this family friendly. Hey, it's vlog 99, guys.
Vlog 99.
Yeah, 99. 99 days of my life in a row.
1 day away from number 100.
Yeah. Actually, I'm 16 minutes away from
Ricky, should you have like a montage at number 100 of like...
That would take way too long to edit.
Just like
Oh dear God. Okay.
take one clip from every episode previously.
I can see it Matt's shorts.
If you could narrow each episode down to like 1 second.
Yeah.
You have a 100-second video.
That would have a 99-second video. That's a minute and 39 seconds. We missed what happened. What was your question, Matt?
What's the theme to the Magic School Bus?
Come on in and take a seat.
You
don't remember
finish
that?
it for me?
You don't remember that?
No, I remember there was one, but I don't remember it.
I remember all the lyrics. Okay, we're totally Googling this. Like, I remember most of it, like, that you might get baked into a pie and stuff, but I don't remember all of it.
I thought you were going to just say, you might get baked.
You might get baked on the Magic School Bus. Whoops, I spelled magic wrong. Magic School Bus.
Because if they got really high, I would imagine that's what it would
On the Great Space Coaster. Kirby and his Transformations Magic School Bus theme song. Okay. 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 I'm reading the. Okay. This is much better.
Are you videotaping videos on the internet?
Kirby and his Transformation Magic School Bus song. So anticlimactic. Here we go! And buffering. God, YouTube, why do you always do this to me?
Be glad we
Screw you,
evolved from
Kirby.
real player.
I'm just gonna go back. Huh?
Be glad we evolved from real player.
Oh god.
Literally. Tragic.
Seatbelts, everyone! Please let this be a normal field trip.
He got froze on Mars.
Feeling good. Okay, I'm remembering it's a cool. On the Magic School Bus. I'm on the Magic School Bus. Take that. I'm on the Magic School Bus. Alright. On the Magic School. He does it as well. Come on in and take a shot. Just to make your day complete. You might get baked into a pie on the Magic School Bus. Right on the Magic School Bus. Wait. Dee-dee. They cut it off.
I saw the Light Prism pinball one the other day.
Magic School Bus theme song Hebrew. Hold on, Matt. They do it in Hebrew. Come back.
You're supposed to listen to DuckTales in other languages.
This is so wrong.
They even changed it all here.
They didn't say yes, it says yeehaw. It doesn't fit. This is terrible. Where's that? Oh, over there. This isn't even worthy of watching anymore. Lightweights.
God, you look so freaking creepy.
Blink for God's sake. Okay. Jeez, N plus has him possessed. Okay, so he keeps making noises in his sleep. Sounds like he's sucking on something. I'll leave your imagination to fill in the gap.
Eyelashes in the soup. Why is it playing with eyelashes in the soup?